Top 10 science-backed benefits of apple cider vinegar and important caveats. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, that golden-hued, pungent pantry staple, has transcended its culinary roots to become a superstar in the wellness world. Revered for centuries across cultures, its modern popularity isn't just hype, there's genuine science supporting some impressive potential benefits. Often featuring the cloudy mother, a colony of beneficial bacteria and yeast, raw, unfiltered ACV is the form most associated with health perks. Let's dive into the top 10 evidence-based benefits, separating fact from folklore and highlighting crucial safety notes. Blood sugar control and diabetes management, strongest evidence. The science, this is ACV's most robustly studied benefit. Acetic acid appears to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar spikes after meals, postprandial glucose. It may slow the digestion of starch and increase glucose uptake by muscles. The benefit, studies consistently show that consuming ACV, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons diluted in water, before or with a carb-heavy meal, can significantly lower blood glucose and insulin responses. This is particularly valuable for individuals with type 2 diabetes, prediabetes, or insulin resistance. Key point, it's a supportive tool, not a replacement for diabetes medication. Always consult your doctor. May support weight management efforts. The science, ACV might promote satiety, feeling full, leading to reduced calorie intake later in the day. Acetic acid could also influence genes involved in fat burning and storage. Some studies suggest it slightly boosts metabolism. The benefit, research indicates ACV consumption, combined with a healthy diet and exercise, may lead to modest reductions in body weight, body fat percentage, waist circumference, and triglycerides compared to placebo groups. The effects are gradual, not dramatic. Key point, it's an adjunct, not a magic weight loss potion. Sustainable habits are paramount. Natural antimicrobial and disinfectant properties. The science, acetic acid is a potent antimicrobial agent. It can kill or inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, yeasts, like Candida, and even some viruses. The benefit. Food safety, historically used for food preservation, pickling. Diluted ACV can be used to wash produce, though not a substitute for proper washing. Topical use, applied diluted to skin, it may help treat fungal infections, like athlete's foot, nail fungus, warts, and acne due to its antimicrobial and pH balancing effects. Patch test first. Household cleaner, an effective, non-toxic surface disinfectant when diluted. Potential heart health support. The science, animal and some human studies suggest ACV might improve several heart disease risk factors. Acetic acid may help lower total cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure while potentially raising good HDL cholesterol, though HDL effects are less consistent. The benefit, by positively influencing cholesterol profiles and blood pressure, ACV might contribute to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. More long-term human trials are needed. Key point, this benefit is promising but requires more robust research. It complements, not replaces, heart-healthy lifestyles. Digestive aid and gut health potential. The science, the acetic acid may stimulate digestive juices, potentially aiding protein breakdown. The mother in raw ACV contains probiotics, friendly bacteria, though the amount reaching the gut is debated. ACV's antimicrobial properties might also help manage minor digestive upsets caused by bacteria. The benefit, some people find diluted ACV before meals helps alleviate symptoms like bloating, gas, and heartburn, though paradoxically, it can cause heartburn in others. It may support overall digestive function. Key point, effects vary greatly. Not recommended for those with ulcers or severe GERD. Probiotic content is minimal compared to supplements/fermented foods. May boost skin health, topical use. The science, ACV's antimicrobial properties combat acne-causing bacteria. Its mild acidity, pH around 3, can help restore the skin's natural acid mantle, potentially improving barrier function and reducing dryness. It may also help balance oily skin. The benefit: diluted ACV is used as a toner to potentially improve acne, soothe sunburn, relieve itchiness from insect bites/poison ivy, and reduce dandruff, as a scalp rinse. Crucial caveat: always dilute heavily, 1 part ACV to 10 plus parts water. Never apply undiluted, as it can cause severe chemical burns. Patch test first. Avoid on broken skin or sensitive areas like eyes. Natural deodorant and foot odor fighter. The science: acetic acid creates an environment where odor-causing bacteria struggle to thrive. Body odor is primarily caused by bacteria breaking down sweat. The benefit: diluted ACV applied to underarms, after patch testing, can act as a natural deodorant. Soaking feet in diluted ACV water can help combat foot odor and fungal issues. The science: the antimicrobial properties may help fight the bacteria causing a sore throat. The acidic environment might also be inhospitable to some pathogens. The benefit: gargling with a mixture of warm water and diluted ACV is a common home remedy to soothe a scratchy throat. Swallow only if desired, but remember dilution. Hair rinse for shine and scalp health. The science: ACV can help remove product buildup and minerals from hard water. Its acidity closes the hair cuticle, leading to shinier, smoother strands. It may also help balance scalp pH and reduce dandruff. The benefit: a final rinse with diluted ACV, 1 to 2 tablespoons per cup of water, after shampooing can enhance shine, reduce frizz, and promote a healthier scalp. Note: avoid if you have color-treated hair without testing, as it might slightly alter color over time. Antioxidant powerhouse: the mother. The science: raw, unfiltered ACV with the mother contains antioxidants like polyphenol. Antioxidants combat free radicals, unstable molecules linked to aging and chronic diseases. The benefit: while the concentration might not rival berries or dark chocolate, incorporating ACV contributes to your overall antioxidant intake, supporting cellular health and potentially reducing oxidative stress. Dilute, never consume or apply undiluted ACV. For drinking, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons in a large glass, 8+ oz, of water. For topical use, start with much weaker dilutions, e.g., 1/10 or more. Protect your teeth: the acid erodes tooth enamel. Drink diluted ACV through a straw, rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards, and wait 30 minutes before brushing. Digestive sensitivity can cause or worsen heartburn, indigestion, or nausea in some. Start with small doses, 1 teaspoon. Avoid if you have ulcers, GERD, or gastroparesis. Medication interactions: ACV can interact with diuretics, laxatives, insulin, and diabetes/heart medications, especially digoxin. Crucial: consult your doctor before using ACV regularly if you take any medication or have a chronic condition, especially diabetes, heart disease, kidney problems. Potassium levels: very high, prolonged consumption might lower potassium levels. Skin burns: undiluted or insufficiently diluted ACV causes chemical burns. Always patch test diluted solutions. Apple cider vinegar is a fascinating substance with a range of potential health benefits, backed by varying degrees of scientific evidence. Its strongest support lies in blood sugar management, with promising links to weight management, antimicrobial uses, heart health, and skin/hair care. However, it's vital to approach ACV realistically. It's not a cure-all, and its effects are often modest and work best as part of a holistic healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep. The golden rule is dilution and caution. Respect its acidity, be aware of potential interactions and side effects, and always consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying conditions or take medications. Used wisely, that bottle of tangy, fermented apple juice can be a valuable, natural addition to your wellness toolkit. Enjoy its benefits safely. https://www.youtube.com/channel/UCZHFJFTC84SFJGCarax4OZQ. Please click on this link to buy this fantastic product, https:// www.easyweightloss.shop/2025/06/04/top 10 benefits of apple cider vinegar /